Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for, what day is it today? Monday, January the 28th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, this is the email address you can use, and this is the link to get into our 100% free trading room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. I open the room every morning at around 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic at about 9:05. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. This is a link for a subscription, and you'll also see a link for our test drive. So for those of you who have always wanted to try us out, we don't have free trials, but this is about as close as you're going to get for 5 full trading days starting February 4th. So that's next Monday to Friday, February 8th. You can try us out for $8.88, and that'll give you access to our full premium service. All right, we do this 4 times a year, so if this is if you've asked us before for free trials, you know we always say we don't have free trials. We have a demo, but you know the demo has limitations on it. It's a time delay, etc. But anyway, this is a time for you to try us out. And also, if you're a standard subscriber, you can also try us out or the premium service for that week also, okay, for the 5 trading days. All right, so let's take a look at now. Unfortunately, I have to say it's big unfortunately. I did not take this one. This is Durham from Holly, 629, 671 right now. Tremendous price increase. The reason I didn't take it, I kind of lost sight of it, unfortunately. We had a couple of alerts that were a little more expensive than I like to take from Holly. I have a certain price range, kind of under $20, that I really like. And then I got wrapped up in something else, and I missed this one, and it kind of popped up about 15, 20 cents, and I just didn't feel like chasing it, though obviously if I chased it, it would have been okay in this particular case. But just a tremendous alert from Holly. 38 million in the float, so not a super low floater, but certainly not excessive. And there's the alert at 629, and you know hit 675. So that's definitely the best one for today. 6.6% increase. Now, I was in a little bit of scalp mode today. I wish I hadn't been quite the scalp mode for guess. You'll see here I shorted here and I covered here. I actually took a few shares of this. It was right just at the whole number. And I think I got about 25 cents, a little over 25 cents on it in a very short period of time. One of the reasons why I was focused on this guess is that, and this is something certainly to be aware of. When I saw the news, it said that the CEO was stepping down, and stepping down on February the 2nd. So I mean that's really, what's that, Saturday I think. So I mean I didn't see anything before that. So I don't know if he's being ousted or what the situation is. They've named another CEO, but you know most of the time companies don't like to see that. If there's going to be a transition from one CEO to another, usually you like to see it a little more orderly. So again, I'm not 100% sure of all the facts on this, but when I saw that, I thought, man, this could be one of those all-dayers. But I decided just to kind of take it was a scalp, but I did have a few shares because I was, I had a very tight stop on it. I wanted to see if this would, give me something very quick, and it did. Though, of course, I wish I had stuck around for a little bit more. PTCT wasn't too bad either. I did short this one here, and I covered here and here. This is a breakdown. If you take a look at it on the daily chart, and see why I did this. So you see there's the breakdown underneath all this. I didn't see any support for it. So again, excuse me. Still, excuse me. I'm still kind of have lingering effects from this 2-week cold or whatever the heck I've got. Let me just bring back the 15-minute. So what I like. Oops, here. What I like about it, of course, is how quick it was. So, get in at 27.91 and cover the last bit at 27.63, all within about 15 minutes. So, I really, really like those quick plays, especially with the market kind of, it's kind of chopping around a bit. This was the pre-market action right there. And, the market is down, but it's kind of chopping around a little bit. So unless you're in a true alpha stock, one that doesn't care about what the market is doing, and I'm not saying this one does, but I just felt more like being a little bit more scalp mode today. So Did a couple other ones, but probably not nothing really to write home about. The other one I'm kind of looking at is El Pollo Loco from Holly. Want to see if it there's the alert 1734, but you can see it's chopping a bit. But if you take a look at it on the daily chart, I think you're going to see, yeah, I mean, you can see what sort of room we've got underneath. So I'm actually kind of waiting to see if this one can take out 17 a little bit later. In fact, I thought I had an alert set there. I think I'll put an alert at 1695. So even though if I miss that original Holly alert, you know, this could set up really dynamically. It'll be the third day down, but really dynamically if it takes out 17 and if the market starts putting in more and more red bars. So that's something I'm going to be watching a little bit later. All right, want to get back into the trading room. So bring back the capture program. And again, if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use, and this is the link for our free trading room, a link for a subscription to Trade Ideas. There's a promo code there for 15% off. That's for 15% off the first month of a standard or premium subscription, or the entire year of a standard or premium. And again, the test drive link is there, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.